Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I ordered this model detector from Temu. First time unboxing and to test it, check it out. There's more details on the link of the description. This is the handle where you can fit like that. Some accessories and parts. Okay, so that's the classic look meter and power off and on, and volume, all metal. To connect the cable, and there is two 9-volt battery in here. This is the mount. Headphone. And this is the disc sensitive. And of course the bar or the holder to hook it up in. Okay, so let's put this thing together and test it. This is the user manual. Find the 9-volt batteries to hook it up here. So this user manual is kind of not much to tell how to set it up and everything, unless if you read everything. But it seems like it's easy. This thing goes in here first. This piece, this end, it hooks here, and this one goes in here. Then loose, and then just like that. Hook up. This thing, it has only one way to fit in, that cable connector, and it goes like that. This is like, if you can't see the positive and negative, of course the 9-volt battery is always the small, which is positive, and the big one, it's negative. Okay, now let's turn it on. Let's power off. On. Now it's time to test it. So you can see I brought, like, this is small, and when I go like that, let's put this thing here. So if the piece is small, the signal is a little bit weak, but if the metal is big like this, see, you can hear the sound. But if I go, like, let's say this is about almost like 3-inch thick, a box, and then if I go like that, put this one in, so now we're just gonna test it, like, you know, something inside here beneath, over there, and then let's adjust this a little bit. How about this? Volume, sensitive, put it in the middle. How about if we go like to this side? So you need to go all the way sensitive. Yeah. And the volume, and that's pretty much it, all metal. If I go like that to the disc, and then okay, now this is, if you go like that, it's kind of, see, it's hard to pick up signal, but if you go all the way here to the left, now it's very sensitive. See? So that's how setting is. The beep can detect metal underground. Simply, if I go like that, see? I would say that that's about 12 inches. It can detect anything underground, probably about 12 inch. Now it's not detecting anything, see? So that's how the distance and under, see? I'm gonna show you again. It's about almost 12 inches, a foot. I'm gonna try to test this metal detector with a different type of metal. Like this is gold. This is 100% gold. This is not just the chain only gold. This is like mixed with silver and metal coins. This is just fake. Another fake one, and maybe this one mixed with silver. So in the description, on the description of the metal detector says it can detect pretty much anything. So I'm gonna try with the gold first. Okay, so as you see, the gold, it doesn't detect gold at all. Just this, you see, this is a gold, and that's just a piece of metal or something. This one is good. This one, coin is good. It's good. See, the bigger metal is, it's more sound mix. See? So it works pretty much everything except gold. So it does not detect gold. So this piece of wire, it's aluminum, and it's easy to detect. See? So good. It is for the price, which is about $43 or so Canadian. I think it's worth to buy as a beginner or so to give it a try, you know. It works so far so good, no problem at all, except it does not detect the gold. However, all other type of metal it can detect easily, and it's very sensitive. You can also adjust sensitivity, you know, volume up and down. You have the headphone, and you have the power on and off, on, and sensitivity you can adjust it a little bit here. And so very simple, easy to use, and it works. So that's pretty good. Metal detector is good to use, and it's cheap actually, from Temu. Link in the description for more details. Thank you so much, and all the best. Hope to see you next time.